Hi everyone, welcome to Beth's Best Hair. Thank you all so much for joining me today. And I have an out-of-box look for you at the double braid updo in the color Caramel Kiss. These wigs are VersaFiber Heat Safe from Paula and they come pre-styled in this updo. There are a few different styles. Now I have purchased this particular style in 4 different colors, and I am going to do a color comparison of all of those. So I am taking them out of the updo so we can see the true color of these beautiful balayage wigs. I thought it would be helpful for you if you all could see how I take it out and how I restyle it and get it ready to wear long in all its glory. Now you could also just take out the bun and wear the wig like this with the braids in it. And I'll show you her down and beautiful highlights in that. But I'm going to take the braids all the way out. I want you to see the lace front on this gorgeous wig. It is just beautiful and melts into your skin. Now, obviously, because of those braids, she's really kinky. So we're gonna need to work on that. So I'm just using my rat tail comb, first of all, to get the part the way I want it. She's got that wide mono parting space, so you really have a lot of options for parting. I'm using water and really giving her a good spritz down and combing it into place first. And I want to mention that these wigs do not have any permatease. Now I'm using my hot air tool, which you can also find by clicking the link in my description box below, and that will bring you over to Walmart so you can see my hot air brush. It has 3 separate attachments, or you can also just use it without any attachments for the hot air. And I love it. It works so well. It was inexpensive, and I just love the various tool options on it. So just take your time with this and have fun, and we're just working on getting those kinks out from the braids. As I'm using the hot air tool, I think you can all see how smooth and beautiful these fibers are, and the highlights are really coming through now in this beautiful color. This Caramel Kiss is very much more on the ash tone, maybe neutral, kind of like a VersaFiber Buttered Toast Rooted. It's beautiful. So this style has a little thicker bang, so I'm just going to figure out how I'm going to work with these bangs. It does ear tuck nicely. And again, I just love the smoothness of these fibers. So I'm just going to use my comb and kind of tease up those bangs a little bit. And now I'm using the Trust Tech Wig Wax just to kind of get that in place. Now if you follow my link to my Amazon store, you can find the Trust Tech Wig Wax Spray in there. And I just love it. It's not a sticky feeling whatsoever. It's just kind of a pliable, loose hold, but it just helps give you a little bit grip when you're styling. If you like this type of video, watching me get my wigs ready, let me know in the comments below, and I will do this also for the other 2 colors that I have to get ready. I have already done the review on the honey beige in this style, so you have seen me get her ready, but let me know These are so gorgeous. Look at how smooth that is. My gosh, that's beautiful. And this color is just gorgeous. Look at those highlights. And you see the length. Even if you don't want a wig that long, I do think with the layers, you could certainly trim it up and make it your own. Oh my gosh. This is just gorgeous. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks again for watching. And if you're new here, please subscribe and press that notification bell so you're alerted when I upload new videos. Thank you to all my subscribers. You're all wonderful. And again, let me know your thoughts below. I will have a part 2 of this video because I had to go out and feed my animals. So if you want to see that, you can click on that and watch me feed chickens and our horse Jazz. All right, have a great day. Thanks for watching.